Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the TEMI brand, their modern computer desk. It's 63 inches by 23.6 inches on the top, and it's 28.9 inches high, and it has a seamless, thick 1.4 inch thick top on there, as you can see. The amazing thing is that there is no assembly required on this whatsoever. This is how it came in the mail right to my front door. I'm going to show you a little video right here so you see how it was shipped. All protected with styrofoam, and that's it. You get it and you just open it up and you use it. Pretty amazing. I'm going to show you close-ups of the end pieces on here, which have adjustable tabs so that you could actually get this thing to be quite level even on a floor. And it does come with a 1-year warranty, and you could extend that to 2 years. They do have all after-sales service on there. And I noticed that this product gets excellent customer ratings. Customers really love it. So this is an integrated tabletop and frame. And again, nothing to do is fully assembled. And it's all solid wood. It's not going to warp because they're using particle board and wood laminate on there. And this is a real generous size. There's no joint lines to disrupt the smooth surface. We're going to show you that. And this is all reinforced solid steel. We're going to show you how to open it up. And this will hold 300 pounds, which is crazy for a table. So this thing is durable. So you could load this thing up with some heavy PCs, computers, printers, or anything you want. Now we're going to be using it, I'm going to be showing it just for some computer supplies and things and Bluetooth players, but we're also going to demo it as a table that can be used even at Thanksgiving as a little buffet table to have some of the food on for family. It can also be used for people to eat on, so there's a lot of applications for this. It's very versatile, and the company does have high quality assurance and amazing customer support. If you call the company, that's why they have all the contact information on the sheet right there. They're going to answer your questions, be able to help you. And that's one of the reasons why a product like this gets excellent ratings. So here you can see that each one of these legs, there's 4 of them, has an adjustable piece and a relatively large surface area so that it will absorb that 300 pounds perfectly. So you can adjust this because not every floor is level. This allows you to get around that. Now the mechanism that's on here is really unique. There is bars and springs and tension pieces, and it just opens up just like this. I'm going to just lift this up. You hear those springs, how this locks in place. Now this is totally locked and stable, and you'll be able to put all that 300 pounds on there. When you want to close it, you just push this bar in and you just drop it down just like that. So all the spring mechanisms, everything is taken care of. Very simple to do. You can do it one-handed. Really nice. So here's just one example where I'm going to be using it. I'm going to be moving this to my basement lab, but I have got a lab with a lot of electronic equipment. But here I'm just showing you, I've got a little netbook and I've got some electronic equipment and printer, my phone, and a little Bluetooth player. But this is so versatile, you can use this for anything. I'm going to show you a quick little video of another version that they sell that does have power outlet on there and USB ports, and you might want to use that one. It's a smaller table, but it's the same concept. It is nothing to build, and it's the same quality and extremely durable. So it's the holidays, and there's another great application for this table. My wife's going to use it to stage some appetizers and food, and it's perfect for that because it looks beautiful and it's simple to use. And again, we could fold it up, put it in the closet after we use it. So after testing, what do I think about the TEMI brand? Their modern computer desk, really nice size, large, strong, 300-pound rating, 2-year warranty, all solid wood on there, a laminate with solid wood covering on there, very smooth, all one piece. And it collapses for ease of storage. You put this in the closet, take it out when you need it, and it's really high quality. I'm impressed with it. So TEMI did a really great job on this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.